Urgent immigration update. DHS just proposed a new public charge rule that can make it much more harder to get a green card. If you're thinking of filing, do not wait. On November 19, 2025, the Department of Homeland Security released a notice of proposed rulemaking that would roll back the current public charge protections. Under this new proposed rule, immigration officers would be allowed to treat almost any means-tested benefit as a negative factor in your green card case, even if the benefit was used legally. This includes Medicaid, SNAP EBT, CHIP, housing assistance, Section 8 vouchers, state-funded medical programs, WIC in some cases, cash assistance, and other need-based programs. For many families, this could mean denials where approvals would have been easy before. Here's exactly how the proposed rule could cause denials. So, a U.S. citizen sponsors her husband for a green card. Their U.S.-born children receive Medicaid and SNAP. Under the new rule, the officer can say the household relies on the benefits. Negative factor, green card denied. Example 2, a sponsoring relative earns enough money, but the immigrant spouse had emergency medical coverage through a state medical program. Even though it was legal, the officer can claim the immigrant might become a public charge, which means a denial. Example 3, a family temporarily used Section 8 housing assistance during a job loss. Under the proposed rule, this can be weighed heavily against the immigrant. Financial instability equals denial. Example 4, an intending immigrant is pregnant and received CHIP prenatal care, even though it's for the baby. DHS may still use it as a negative factor. What does that mean? Denial risk. These are real scenarios that officers would have the discretion to use. The rule is not final yet, but once it becomes final, it could drastically change who gets approved. So if you're eligible for a green card through marriage, U.S. citizen children, employment, other family petitions, do not wait. File before this rule goes into effect. Immigration decisions will become stricter, slower, and more discretionary. Now, if you want help reviewing your case, preparing your application, or avoiding public charge red flags, contact us today. And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs this information before it's too late.